Are you looking for a smart Z-Wave compatible smoke and carbon monoxide detector that will work with your smart home devices? Well, this one might be the one for you. So stay tuned in this video. I'm going to show you what's in the box and how to install it. This is the First Alert branded 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. This version is the one that includes Z-Wave Plus, meaning you can connect it with your smart home devices. So in my case, I have smartthings, Samsung smartthings in my house. And so what I would do is I'm able to connect the Z-Wave to my smartthings, and then I'm able to monitor the alarm through my phone. So if anything happens in the house, the alarm isn't just ringing and no one will ever know, but once it rings and it's connected to my phone, it will alert me and send me a notification that, hey, something is, there's smoke or carbon monoxide detected, and then you can do whatever you need once you know that that's happened. But anyways, this is the Z-Wave version of this alarm. They all look pretty much the same. You wouldn't be able to tell that this is a Z-Wave version by just looking at it. The only difference that I noticed is that it will say wireless right here, and that is kind of what differentiates this to all the other ones that look pretty much identical. Anyways, we've got a mounting plate here, right? So you would put the screws, mount it on the ceiling, and then this will just go snap right in, just like that. Okay, so we've got the test button here. We've got the light. So if you need carbon monoxide, this will light up. If there's detected smoke, then this will light up. Right in here is the alarm. You can see it right here. It says do not paint. So to replace or insert batteries, what you're going to do is open this battery cover, and you've got a little warning here. Install battery and door prior to mounting alarm on the bracket is what it says. Right, so you're going to pull that off, and then basically just put the batteries in, and it'll tell you the terminal where you're going to install it, just like that. And this. So once you put it in, you're going to hear a loud beep, and it's all set. In order for you to sync this to your smartthings or whatever your Z-Wave device, what you're going to do is take the battery out, and what you're going to do is hold this button. While holding it, you're going to press down on the battery terminal, the cover, and then let go of the button. And so now what you've done is just activated the Discover mode. So now what you're going to do is go to your app, and then you're going to press the plus button, and then just be able to discover this alarm, and you're able to connect it. So I'm going to show you quickly here through a screen recording. Okay, so now onto the installation. So what you could do is, using this plate and the 2 screws provided, you're going to mount 2 screws in the 2 holes right there, and then it's going to be on the ceiling, and basically you just snap it, twist it into place, just like that. Here we are. I have a laser leveler. I can link that in the description below. But basically, I just want to align it to the pot lights, as you can see. Here we are, perfectly straight with the 2 screws into the ceiling. And that line perfectly aligns with the other not smart smoke detector. Okay, and once you're all done, what you're going to do is place it in the slot, twist it. Once it's locked, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you.